Today we're going to talk about something that is causing a lot of controversy in the world of content creators and videography: artificial intelligence. And stay until the end of this video because you're going to be surprised with the last thing I will say in this video. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we make videos. It can create videos that are very similar to what we can create. It can analyze images, recognize faces, and even edit videos in ways that are impossible for us as humans. But what does this mean for the future of videography and content creators around the world? Many creators are scared, thinking that artificial intelligence is going to replace them. They are afraid that the software will be able to create content faster and at a lower cost than they can. But actually, this is happening already. And with the speed with which artificial intelligence is growing, it will be very soon for companies to start using it over human creators. However, there are many who think that artificial intelligence is actually helping the industry. I consider myself part of this group. Many are using this technology to create more engaging and personalized content. Many think that artificial intelligence is helping to create content more adapted to what their audience wants, making the content more attractive to their followers and therefore creating more interaction with their videos. AI can also help us to edit faster. For example, ChatGPT can help us with scripts and even parameters that you are just gonna take, copy and paste. Premiere Pro itself has its own artificial intelligence. You can lengthen and cut songs with its remix tool, for example, or even cut videos with its scene edit detection. That is insane. If you didn't use it yet, you have to try it. That's really crazy. And now we have the new and free podcast.adobe.com that fixes your audio in a crazy way using artificial intelligence. Regardless of your stance on AI, there is something that is clear. Artificial intelligence is here and is here to stay. We as creators have to adapt to technology to stay relevant. We have to start using artificial intelligence to our advantage instead of being fighting against it. Artificial intelligence can be used to create better content and make it more engaging. It can be used to analyze our audience data, improve the quality of our videos, and even automate certain tasks. And with artificial intelligence improving every day, the possibilities are endless. Now, what do you think about artificial intelligence in the world of videography and content creators? Do you think it's a threat or an opportunity? Let me know in the comments because I think that this is an amazing and interesting topic. By the way, I said wait until the end of the video because I have something cool to tell you, right? I even said that you would be surprised. Almost all the script of this video and even the B-rolls and all the videos that I was using were basically suggestions from the famous ChatGPT. If you want to know more about it, if you want me to make a video about ChatGPT and how to use it to create videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, I'm thinking to make a video about tools with artificial intelligence that many don't know. So stay tuned. Until next week.